Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I have a mini Pandora haul video to share with you the new Disney 100 Pandora charm that released recently. This is the third item Pandora released for the Disney 100th anniversary. I do have a video where I shared the 100th anniversary bracelet as well as the 100th anniversary Oswald charm. If you'd like to see that, I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find it. In this video, I'll also be sharing a review of the new Disney 100th charm as well as how I chose to style it. So I'm going to be sharing a look at my Disney 100th design with you as well. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I am enjoying Organic the Skinny from DAVIDsTEA. It's an oolong tea and honestly my go-to tea. It's so good. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. I went to my local Pandora store to pick up the charm. It also comes with a certificate, much like the other Disney 100 pieces. If you missed out on getting the certificate for Oswald or the 100th bracelet, I was chatting to my friend Christine and she told me she had let her store know and they gave her the certificates for Oswald and the bracelet. This might not be the case for every store, but if you did miss out on getting their certificate and want them, check in with your local store and see what they say. Now let's move over to the unboxing. The packaging is much like the Disney 100 packaging we saw last month. It features that platinum, iridescent packaging that goes over the classic Pandora box. It is so pretty, and I just love how it catches the light. A really fun detail. The name of the charm I'm going to be unboxing is called the Cinderella's Pumpkin Carriage. It was inspired by original artwork from the Disney archives. It is so fun that Pandora took inspiration from the archives of Disney with Cinderella's carriage. You might have seen the little illustration of it at the beginning of this video when I went to the Pandora store. They had a decal up on like the Disney 100 area of it. And here's a look at the charm itself. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is gorgeous. It is made of sterling silver with 14 karat gold accents and set with a lab-created diamond done in a round, brilliant cut. It is so gorgeous. You can see the diamond really catches the light and adds a lovely twinkle. I love the 14 karat gold accents and the whimsical design. It's very fairy tale feeling and you can just see the Disney magic in it. You can find the diamond right at the doorway leading inside the carriage. It's really pretty, and then the gold accents are found up at the top as well as on the door too. It is an open work style charm and it is threadless, meaning that it will just slide right off your bracelet. So if it is a charm you're putting on your bracelet, you might want to add a stopper, safety chain, or clips just to keep it in place so when you take off your bracelet, it doesn't just fall right off. Engraved on the back of the charm is the Disney 100th anniversary logo. This follows suit with the Oswald charm as well as the Disney 100th bracelet. Both of those Disney 100th anniversary logos were engraved on the back of the pieces as well. On the bottom of the charm, you can find the hallmark. So you'll see the Disney, the Pandora, as well as the S925 ALE. This is my third Pandora Carriage charm. I also have the two-tone version that came out back around, I think it was around 2015. And I also have the Pandora Rose version of the Carriage charm. So I just wanted to share a quick comparison so you guys can see the differences of the different carriages. The two-tone and the Pandora Rose are very similar, where the Disney 100th has a much more kind of whimsical feel to it. It's really special. The price point of this charm is high. I was quite taken aback when I found out the cost of the charm for what it is. It is gorgeous and it's beautiful, but oh my goodness, I just found the price point so high. I wasn't sure if I would be purchasing this charm and decided to wait and think about it. During that time, I ended up getting this amazing opportunity for in the upcoming months, and I'm so excited. It really is a dream come true, a new adventure, a new journey ahead, and I just knew that this charm would be the perfect way to represent this accomplishment, a new beginning and chapter in my life. So I decided to treat myself. And when one of my friends found out why I picked out this charm, they were so sweet and they ended up gifting me some money to go towards it. So thank you so much if you're watching. It was super sweet of you. Now it's time to design. I pulled out my original two-tone Disney themed bracelet. This is a work in progress bracelet, and when I pulled it out, it had become quite tarnished, so I decided to clean up some of the charms because I would be taking them off and incorporating them into my Disney 100th design, which will now kind of take over the two-tone Disney theme. So I pulled out a couple different charms that I liked and I polished them up. If you do want to know how to clean your Pandora jewelry, I have an updated YouTube video about that. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find it. I decided to add the Walt and Mickey charm onto my Pandora O pendant, and for the other two-tone charms, I played around with the design that you're going to see here. I added the Mickey spacer charms. I also added the sunburst clips, the two-tone ones. Also, of course, a two-tone Disney carousel. It's so pretty. The 90th Mickey charm. Then you see the Disney 100th carriage. I also, of course, added Oswald. And the two open work charms you're seeing, the Dream and Believe, the Disney ones. I thought those looked so lovely with the new carriage. They really complement it well. And here is the finished result. Now with the 90th Mickey, if Pandora comes out with a Disney 100th Mickey, I might replace him with that, but I'll just have to see. I'm really happy with how this design looks so far and how it's coming together. It's very elegant, kind of classic, that little hint of Disney to it, and I just think it looks so pretty. I'd also like to look into incorporating some charms that represent this new adventure that I'm going on and incorporating them with the Disney 100th theme. If I can make it work, I'm still debating. I got the size 18 bracelet. I typically wear the 17 as my preference. I could only get the bracelet in an 18. And I don't mind 18 because I can add, some extra charms on there, some extra Muranos. Not sure which ones I would do yet. I don't think I want to do the ones I had on my original two-tone bracelet because I like the clips that I had on that bracelet with them. So I'll have to kind of debate and see. This is the bracelet stack I actually created using my Pandora Reflections, Pandora Me, Celestial Stars bracelet. Really love how it turned out. But anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I'd love you to know your thoughts on the Disney 100th anniversary collection from Pandora. What do you think of the charms and the price point? Please let me know down below. If you're interested in any of the pieces I've shown, I'll have the names in the description bar of this video, and if they're still available, links on where you can find them. Some of those links down there may be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.